Eyebrows are powerful facial features, capable of transforming your look by correcting minor flaws and naturally framing your eyes. Thick eyebrows, in particular, convey a youthful appearance and enhance overall beauty. To maintain healthy eyebrows, start by exfoliating and moisturizing the skin underneath them. This sets the stage for effective brow treatments. Oils like castor oil, coconut oil, and almond oil are known to stimulate eyebrow growth, providing essential nutrients and vitamins to nourish and strengthen hair follicles. Facial exercises, such as brow lifts, offer a natural way to elevate your eyebrows. Place the middle fingers under each brow, rest your palms on your face, lift your eyebrows upward, then outward, holding the position for 5 seconds. This simple routine can contribute to a lifted and more youthful brow appearance. For those seeking a growth treatment, the ordinary multi-peptide lash and brow serum offer a light, non-greasy formula designed to support thicker, fuller, and healthier-looking lashes and brows. Finding your ideal brow shape involves strategic measurements. Using a pencil or makeup brush, align the inner corner of your brows with the sides of your nose. Mark the start, arch, and end points for symmetrical results. When it comes to tools for eyebrow makeup, consider the Essence Brow Pomade Plus brush for perfectly styled and long-lasting brows. The Tattoo Brow 36H pencil is another option for achieving plump and natural brows throughout the day. Its creamy texture allows for easy application and styling, and its tattoo formula resists friction, water, and sweat. To add color and volume over time, try the Tinted Brow Gel Plus Brow Enhancing Serum. This 2-in-1 product, powered by the award-winning Grande Brow Enhancing Serum technology, delivers instant results and promotes thicker-looking brows. When applying eyebrow products, use a small amount to avoid a cakey or unnatural appearance. Employ a flicking technique, mimicking small eyebrow hairs for a more natural look. Enhance your makeup routine with a magnified mirror, providing greater visibility for precise application. Various magnification levels cater to detailed work, preventing overapplication. Remember to be cautious and avoid getting products into your eyes. If undergoing facial skin treatment, consult with a physician before using eyebrow products. In summary, a well-rounded approach to eyebrow care involves nourishment, strategic measurements, and the right tools and products. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for your unique eyebrows, and prioritize the health and natural beauty of your facial features.